Hi and welcome to Fessorpro.com. The Fessorpro word itself is a derivative word of professor. So if you put the PRO in the end, it becomes Fessorpro. So who we are and what we do? So it's very simple. We are a fintech company who help folks in US and Canada to automate their strategies in a live market. And back in India, what we are currently doing, we are doing more of a education things over here. We are doing more of education institutes over here to help people to understand more deep about algorithmic trading and algorithmic technologies. So first of all, back in India, we have started a trader school where our mentors have live training sessions in algorithmic technologies. You get matched with a mentor, you learn how to drive your strategies in an automated way and execute it in a live market. If you want to multiply your portfolio, get ahead in your career, or understand how actual historical backtesting works, how you can discipline your trades, and how you can minimize the risk, you are more than welcome. So back in India, we're currently incubated with IIM Bangalore, which is India's #1 business school. We are also incubated with NMIMS and also supported by an agency called Niti Aayog, which is come under Atal Innovation Mission. So yes, that's a small update about Fessorpro.com and what we are currently doing in India. So what is the problem currently people in India facing when they try to upskill themselves in algorithmic technologies, algorithmic trading? There are three major problems that we are trying to solve over here. First is an engagement. We have guys have already tried some of the methods to get ahead with an algorithmic trading and algorithmic technologies. First thing, you buy some online lectures or you watch some videos online, but the problem is 90% students drop off in a free online certification course and never earns a certification, never gets ahead in their career. Second, finding a mentor in this domain is a little difficult because it's a new domain in India and requirement gap over there is a little big than we expect. So what we have come right now, we are currently providing a 60 hours long live training session in automated trading using Python and interactive broker. Now you may ask why we have choose Python, why we are not going with other platforms right now, because we are helping you guys to get skilled as per industrial standards. So if you are just want to make money for a couple of months and do something else, then it's not a good fit for you. But if you want to get deep into it, if you want to become a part of an industry, then you should start with Python and you can Google about it for sure. So it's a complete end-to-end program where we're going to teach you how you can implement and code 15 strategies in a live market. So we have taken a 15 strategies which are very popular in India. So you can do bull call spread off, you can do volume reversal strategy, gap strategies, you can implement in the live market for trading, and you can start getting into historical backtesting. You can start disciplining your trade, how you can read data and such. So the biggest challenge that we got is how we can structure this program for people in India, because 90% of you guys are non-technical people. Also, even though you have a technical background, you have coded a very long back in your college or such. So we have kept a non-technical background person in the middle of this and build the program around it. So we have broke it down the program, the 60 hours in 4 months. The first month will be Python for trading. So now the Python is a very huge subject altogether. So you don't have to learn about everything in that, but if you learn the specific libraries, if you learn the specific modules, that will be more than enough. And we're going to share you our own made models or made modules that are going to help you to directly plug and play. The first month, we're going to teach you how to read a Python code, how to write the Python code. So there'll be live session with a mentor. There'll be 10 to 15 people in one mentoring session. You can ask doubt, you can ask questions, and you can share your screen and you can code during the session. It won't be like a movie where you just watch it and go back home and never reapply it anywhere. It will be you have to code it live with the person that is currently teaching you. Month 2, you'll be skilled enough to make a day trading strategies for beginner. You can get into quantitative trading strategies and models. Month 3, we're going to teach you how you can add indicators using machine learning. How a machine learning model can help you to understand what is the market sentiment right now, how it affects it by news and tweets. And month 4, you'll be skilled enough to make a momentum trading strategy with a computer code. Now 2 more months will be needed apart from this course to practice it by yourself. Then only you will be skilled enough or confident enough to apply in an entry-level job, or you can start doing your own stuff. So all the skills that we cover over here in Python, we're going to focus on the libraries which are very important in algorithmic technology, which is NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, matplotlib, radar. Math we're going to do with sharp ratio, CAGR, finite difference method, and math involved in indicator. And backtesting on historical data is must. Momentum reading strategies, machine learning techniques, and risk and transition cost analysis. And yes, this all will be live and cover in the 60 hours. What are the program benefits? How we are trying to make it different to different courses out there. First, we do osmosis learning, live practicing session with LMS access that increases your confidence. Now you may be wondering how our LMS looks like. So yes, it is over here, fessorpro.com. Everyone will get their login ID and password. Whenever you want, after the training sessions or before that, you can go over there. You can watch the pre-made videos over here. There are the things already made over here step by step with your basic understanding. As I already told you, we have made this program keeping a non-technical person in a center. So Python is the simplest language that you can learn in programming. So yes, so we make it more simpler and give you the modules that you can directly plug and play. So there is a videos too which is involved in this. So you can, if you don't understand the document, you can go to the video. There are challenges where you can code over here. Still you cannot solve that. There are solutions also available. In the same way, from Python to the end till the coding and trading, everything is available. Yes, so what is financial trading? There will be a proper video about it also. So it totally helpful, and this access we're never going to take you from you. So it's a good resource. Yep. So what is the second? We help you to get a better opportunities. We'll help you to set up your GitHub profile, track your progress, and practice. Now the main thing is, how will you practice after the course? Because course is something that we can help you for a couple of months, then you are all by yourself. So GitHub gives you an opportunity to keep practicing in coding. We'll help you how to set up that. We'll give you a lifetime access to a quick resolution of queries, access to the latest course content, and networking opportunities with industrial experts out there. Now certifications are very important. So there will be 2 certifications that we are able to provide right now. First is IBM, specifically in machine learning, and second certification will be from Professor in algorithmic technologies. That increases your credibility in the market, apart from the person who is not doing this thing right now and hoping to do it in a couple of years, and industry is not going to stop for anyone. So currently 300 plus mentees we have already trained. You can go online, watch their testimonies for sure, scan the QR code on your screen right now, or you can go to fessorpro.com on your Instagram or your YouTube right now to find this exact testimonies. So from people with a background of traders for couple of years, like, or the person who is very versed with trading background, both can get into it. So in a nutshell, without wasting any of your time, how we have decided to divide the 60 hours, there'll be 2 live sessions per week, 2 hours each, after 7 p.m. So it won't hurt your timings about the market, it won't hurt your full-time job. There'll be a 15 course that you will make during the session and take back your home. So that's something tangible. The tangible thing, you're also getting a recorded videos. There'll be 2 certifications, assignments and tests designed by fund managers and algo engineers, and also become part of our international community. So yes, that's the basic understanding. After watching this video, get connected with our team. They will help you how you can go ahead with that. So yes, that's the simplest way that we are doing the 60 hours of live training back in India. Thank you so much. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye. I'm going to help you to directly plug and play. The first month, we're going to teach you how to read a Python code, how to write the Python code. So